admin role access. So we should give them to admin role access. Now I should do, so I'm going to assign the admin permissions from this users. Okay, so I have to log into the Microsoft admin account. Yeah, I think it's maybe internet crash. Why is that? Okay, let me close this. I am login Entra ID again. I'll open the incubator as well. Yeah, now it's loading, so let me wait. I think so. It's quantity type of Entra ID. So later on, let me check. Is something internet issue? Let me check if it is internet is pinking or not. Pink. Yeah, it's pinking. Okay, now it's back to normal because some backend issue. Some that's why. Okay, now I go to the users account. Go to the Krish. I'm selecting the Krish G. Now I'm going to assign the role. Let me wait. It needs to load from that. Okay, so that's why it's taking time. I might think so. Our internet is too slow. Maybe. Yeah. So it won't be so as any role from this users. Now we need to assign the one of the role this user. Okay, so I'm going to assign the applications administrator. Earlier it has shows like, okay, when you click this automatically it has show the sidebar. Just click and add. Now it's asking the clearly all the informations. Okay, for example, if you want to add the multiple users, you can do. Okay, you can go to the same Entra ID. Okay, while I'll add this. So if you want to check directory, okay, I selected. I just click next. So here we can give the permissions level, time and range. So how many hours they needed, when, until where, until and until like when they need access. Okay, so we can give that. So if we can give the permanent, we can give like eligible the permanent. So if we need to give active, so we should select active, and justifications we can select and give the like these things. But it's not like non-recommendable. So you can see any, like if you want to give like a time range, you can select and you can give the time. Okay, so I don't want that, so I'm assigning the this view. Okay, now I have assigned the role. Okay, but here if you want to assign the another users also same thing, you can assign that. You can go to the role and administrator. You can see all the roles here. See, all are the applications here. So for example, I need to assign another users from the applications. I can add the multiple users. I can edit from here as well. See who are the eligible. So I can assign from that which are the users and everything. So I can edit. So I need to add like, I can add like a multiple users. I can add like everyone. Okay. So if I don't want that, I can remove from that. So one time I can add from that. If not, you can use the PowerShell command and you can log in that and you can do that. Okay. Now I assign that. Okay, I already assigned the users. So let me check. See, the applications assigned me the application administrator. Now we can remove from that, we can update and everything we can do. So now I'm going to log into the Incopy tab, Entra ID. So I can use this, which we earlier gave the username Chris email. Now I can create email. So now, sorry, I can create the applications. Now I have the applications permissions. Okay, so it's login. So it will ask in the like Microsoft Authenticator. That's why we gave like we say that you can enable that without, if your password has been leaked, so they can used, it doesn't matter. From that they, you can if you enable the Microsoft Authenticator until you can change the password. Okay, if your password has been leaked, please immediately change that. I have the Microsoft Authenticator, it's not that. So Microsoft Authenticator also can prove post. Okay, now we can check enterprise account. I go to the new applications. Let me check. So if he showing has still has a gray, so let me wait the few seconds or something, so it will show it you the. Okay, so you can so let me wait. I can let me wait couple of minutes. Let me check. So I already gave like a permissions. Let me wait a few seconds. Let me refresh this. Yeah, still you have the permissions. That means this users doesn't applicable from that your role application administrator. Okay, let me check what is it exactly issue with this user. Let me check. You can create any other applications also. Let me connect. Let me check. Okay, let me connect. Yes, yeah, I can give like a the permissions and everything. Yeah, it's a great. So some the permission has missed up from these users. So let me wait from the couple of minutes to implement the role applications. Okay. So let's move on like this users. Okay. So we are doing like exercise 3 from like removing role assignment from this users administration this thing. Okay. So now we gonna do go to the admin account. We can go to the same users and we can remove from this one. How we can remove these users? Now we have removed all the roles permissions access as well. So still it's refreshing. So I think issue what exactly issue with that. So whatever we assign the active assignment is not appearing from that here. So I will show you one of the things again. Maybe it would be vague. Okay, so when I click this active, I'm just giving the temporary solutions. I just assign the users. Now this is assign use active assignment. Okay, status would be active. So when I go to here, go to the enterprise account, click new applications, while refresh. Yeah, see, you can create the own application. When you giving the eligible, they can access, but they can't create the account. When we giving the activate, okay, options, they can create the own applications as well. See, now I'm going to remove from this the account. Okay, I don't want that. Now